this video I want to make, I must tell you that I'm making it with a whole lot of sadness because I'm about to talk about a celebrity and a singer that I cherish so much. If you are close to me, you would know that I don't play with this particular artist, and she has been trending of recent, and the trend is not actually for the right purpose. Okay, this is someone I believe that have a decent life from my own view or what she projects, and all of a sudden she's trending for the wrong reasons. There are so many beautiful decisions she has made in time past, but this one for me scores low. Okay, and I think the best thing for her to do is to come out and apologize and not defend. So the person I'm talking about is no other person than Simi. Okay, Simi is one artist that I cherish so much. In fact, I love her music. I love what she does. And all of a sudden, I also like the way she carries herself. And look at this tweet. Even though she tweeted it while she was young, I think let's assume, I can't say she was a kid then. She was still like a teenager, or even 23, was already a grown-up girl. 23 at 23, she wasn't a child. So making this kind of tweet, let's look at one of the tweets. She said, why this 4-year-old boy trying to put her hand inside my shirt? Ogbeni, wash it. That was disgusting. That was disgusting, if you must tell me. Why would you be sexualizing a 4-year-old child? Why will you be sexualizing a 4-year-old child, for crying out loud? Okay? And even if that was done by mistake, I don't think it should be put out there. It should be put out. It shouldn't even be on the internet space. And who is the person behind this tweet? Simi? No. I am disappointed. I am heavily disappointed. Okay? I'm expecting her to actually come out with an apology letter, apologize to everyone, and also delete those posts. I don't know why those posts are still up there, and it doesn't speak well of her. I will make more videos about some of the posts she made until I get to the one she talked about. She was trying to defend this particular tweet that doesn't even present or project her in a lamplight, on a good light. Okay, so see you in the next video, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.